Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to quickly export audio as MP3, WAV or M4a in Camtasia. First, launch Camtasia and open the project containing the audio you want to export. Now if you want to quickly export your audio only, click on this export option here at the top left side and select export audio only. A new window will open, allowing you to choose the output format and destination folder. Type a name here. Choose the output folder where you want to save the audio file. Select your desired format, MP3, WAV or M4a from Save As option. Then click on Save. Once the export process is complete, you can find the exported audio file in the specified destination folder. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.